welcome back to my channel. So today I have a very interesting video for you guys. I'm reviewing the Madam Glam gel polish and mini LED slash UV light lamp. Nail lamp, sorry. And these are the shades that come in the box. This one is My Oh My Cashmere Grey, which is a nice grey color. And also, if you want to know how I did these polygel nails, I will link that down in the description. You're So Vain. It comes with a base and also a top coat. And now I'm unboxing the mini LED light, which comes with a user manual, and it also shows you some of the perks of being a Madam Glam VIP. So here is what they offer if you are interested. And here are also some instructions, and this brand is also vegan, cruelty free, and I think they are also HEMA free. And all the gel polishes in this kit smell like, I don't know, like bubble gum or something. Like, they smell really good, and I wish more gel polishes did smell like this. This little lamp has a little button on top you can press, and there's a 60-second and a 45-second timer, and this is quite a powerful little lamp, which I was very grateful to receive because I use my bigger one, which kind of takes up a lot of space on my table. So these are all 15 ml bottles, and it comes with a base coat which is quite runny. And now I'm applying some of the base coat to the swatch stick because I want to swatch all the colors, and I want to show you the consistency and how all these gels basically look. So the first shade is this nice like nudish pinkish color. It kind of looks darker in real life, and first thing I noticed were how nice and pigmented these gel polishes were. They were all nice and thick, which really helped with making these like one coaters. You could definitely get away with one coat. I applied two for the sake of the video, and as you can see, it just self-levels beautifully and it is so smooth to work with. The next one is like this pink coral kind of shade, and again, this one was the exact same thing. It was so pigmented and so creamy and nice to work with. There was like not even any patchiness or any streaking, like absolutely nothing like that. Now I'm going over with a second coat, and then I'm curing all of those for 60 seconds. This one is the grey, and I'm actually really glad I received this because I don't have a grey in my collection. So thank you, Madam Glam, for sending me this shade, and that's what that looks like. And now I'm going over with another coat. And now I'm gonna add the top coat. This is not a no wipe. This has like that sticky layer you kind of have to wipe off after. So I'm just applying that, and it's also quite a runny kind of top coat. It's not too runny, but I feel like it really helps to smooth out the surface. And I also wiped down the sticky layer off the top coat, by the way. So now I'm basically going to use these on my nails today. I'm wearing a base of acrylic. I'm using Glitter Bell's clear acrylic in glass slippers. And I'm just applying a thin layer of the base coat to my nails, and this was really easy and smooth to apply. When applying gels, you want to have a very thin layer on your brush, because if you have too much, chances are that it will spill onto your sidewalls, and then it will touch your skin, which can cause burning and irritation under the UV light. So just make sure you apply a nice thin layer of base coat, and also you want to keep the shape and reduce bulkiness of the nail. Next, I'm applying that like nude pinkish kind of shade. I think it's called My Oh My. And this was really pigmented, as you can see, even on a clear nail, and I wasn't using too much on the brush. It was quite thin. And if you do want 30% off your purchase, you can use code CAMIN30, which will give you 30% off your shop on madamglam.com. And now this is the grey that I've just put on, and this is the coral one that I'm using. And again, just make sure that these are applied very nice and thin, and rest your hand on the table for balance if you need it. And if you do get any on the skin, just use a cleanup brush with a bit of acetone and wipe that away. Next, I'm going in with the grey, which was really nice as well. I'm really happy I got this grey. Super easy to apply. I really like these. I'll probably be buying more Madam Glam products. And now I'm topping everything off with the top coat, and make sure that the top coat is also applied nice and thin. You don't want thick bulky nails, unless you like that look, of course, then you can always do that. And then I'm going to cure this in my lamp for 60 seconds. And that is it for this video. I quickly went off camera and applied some cuticle oil, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And let me know what you guys think down below. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.